Hey everyone, this is John at Cougar Creek Ranch, November 6th, November X-Ray Whiskey. So I got another project that I want to do. It's about putting up my antenna to higher elevation. So I'm planning to move it to about 20 meters high, and I'm not sure that the trees I have they are suitable for. I mean, I'm not 100% sure. I calculated and measured a little bit, but I'm going to tell you my strategy. I'm going to take a chainsaw. This is an excellent one that I can use with one hand, and so going up to 20 meters is going to be, take some time and some energy. Anyway, my plan is I have a loop here that I think it's estimated bigger than the diameter of the alder tree I'm climbing on at that elevation, and also just in case I'm getting another piece of cable that is a little bit larger. So on the ground I prepared the rope because I am planning to, so let me show you from here to whatever. I'm going to be able, or I need to be able to raise and lower the that antenna. So yeah, I'm going to go prepared. I'll have already the what is that? I'm going to have this already attached to the cable. I mean to the rope. Hold on a second. Yeah. I'm going with that. So I'll have that this I guess what I say attachment to the tree. I'll have it in the middle of the length of this rope. I'm going to leave it there, and actually I didn't put it in the right position. I will have to put it proper. Okay, so that's about it here. For I guess raising and lowering the antenna, I'm using a pulley, stainless steel. In fact, the cable is also stainless steel, and I expect to mount it to give a little bit slack to the tree, and check it from time to time eventually. Now I'm going to have this pulley already with me, and the cables and everything. As I mentioned, I don't want to go twice at that height on the tree, and yeah, I am going to mount it at the point where both ends of the rope will touch down. Más cerca, Carmen. Okay. So to save climb on the trees, I do have a rope that have a adjustment for the length here. So around the trunk, I already hooked the rope for the antenna and the attachment cable. So I don't need to go more than one time. What's happened?
Un tree, se mueve el árbol, se vaya a caer.
Oh, sí, este que está. Okay.
Ahí atrás.
Anyway, so what's next? So that's about it. These are the spikes, that I use for climbing. And actually, I do have a provision for the second safety rope, but I use that only when I trim the branches. My purpose right now is just to go up and install this loop, and I do have size larger than this. So this is what I estimate to be, but I have a larger size just in case, so I don't come down to bring another one or get my wife to bring it with a rope or something. Anyway, I'm ready to go, so okay, Carmen. Hey everyone. So I got up in the tree, and I think I made a mistake. I chose a tree that it was not enough high for what I want. So here is mounted, and I think I am probably 6 meters short, but you can see that I have a view. You see the a tall tree that is right in the center of the image right now. Not that one. Maybe it's not that clear over there, but it's a straight line, and I think I have a straight line without touching the other branches from on the right side. So yeah, say hello, Carmen. Hello. All right, I'll figure out how high it is, this location. I just measured the cord from the vertical position. You can see the point where it's connected up there. It's about 15 meters. In fact, I wouldn't even go above that height because the tree is pretty thin. You cannot see very well, but in fact 1 feet above that location where I connected, there is a split, so small branches, and you can see, an alder with that kind of height, it's very vulnerable to fall off. Anyway, I did half of it because next is to go on the other side.